Yo, viewers, welcome to Bismarck Decoder Satellite. Yeah, today I'm here to teach you how to know some basic 40 connections on your distance on the multi TV. Like you have no signal, or like you have some fault on your multi TV decoder, like no signal and other stuff. I'm here to teach you some basic things you have to do it on your own without calling an installer. So, like this is my distance, my satellite founder. Serving as television for me because I can't do it inside. So this is my satellite finder serving as television for me. My satellite finder with the general as television. So let me switch it on. I'm switching it on. May so may so yeah. And this is the cable from the dish. Assuming this is the cable from the dish to your receiver. Yeah, this is the cable from your dish to the receiver. This is the dish, and this is my LMB. Yeah, this is my LMB. This is the dish. So this is the cable from the receiver, and this one is called connector. Same thing. So one connector from the dish, then another connector to the receiver. So this is my satellite founder, same as my television. When I'm a satellite founder, my digital mouth, my television. NT, any, this is it. Yeah, this is my satellite finder, same as television. So I have a lot of stations on it. There are dome and the rest. I have it. So this is it, serving at my destiny, my television. So when your watching TV is not coming or your receiver is not coming, first one, you check whether the connector is connecting your receiver well. This is the core connector or the cable. This is called cable. This one is a connector. So open up where no signal, but make sure say connector no. The LMB, the distance, sorry. Saa ahoma no afiri so hɔ na ɛbɛhyɛ decoder no mu no, ɛhyɛ mu yie anaa connector no koraa tu anaasɛ ɛnyɛ ntuyɛ. Nti connector no nie. Ebia na atu koraa atɔ fam ɛna wohuyɛ. Ɛna second thing ne sɛ, you see this area, you see this one, this small thing, this one. Ebetumi ama decoder no koraa bi wɔ hɔ koraa na ebetumi sɛ ka wei na ebetumi ama decoder no eduma na asɔ wei. Besra mo ntie ne yepa ba me pa na mekyerɛ mo nneɛma ketenkete wei, you get it for free. Installer bia na wɔbɛkyerɛ wo, you get it for free. Nti sɛ wei ne kɔka wei ne pɛ, wo decoder no bɛyɛ den ebedum na menkyerɛ wo ade baako. Memfa nka na memfa nsi bi de no so ma menkyerɛ wo ade. Sɛ bi wɔ bɛyɛ kuee bedum. Let me show you something. One say, listen, the machine, but the car and the pen. Yeah, machine, no, a clear shortcut. Yeah, what the kind of pet? A battery shortcut. Yeah, one say actual shortcut and the go on, get to yeah. Sorry, because of the distance, and that's why. So a battery shortcut. It's a drop. One say, and as a machine be where be do so, and where the current minimum, so. And make sure say, and on anchor, Sahel, we no anchor, So let me teach you how to peel it. Okay, let me teach you how to peel it. I'm sure you can before so be trying no come. Is it maybe say I know rough na nya I mention you can before so be try be okay. So the channel now you can use blade, knife, or any other sharp object to peel it. Into the channel now. Once I peel a go actually say, any question will make a win, my peel a go actually say. Oh, like let me pin go say I'll push it backward. So I'll put this one too. One way no. We never call receiver no inside no. Any kwan say we cook no. Ti maybe with this video no, I will teach you how to this thing join two cables together. I'll teach you how to join two cables together. ABN will be a join B and Emma. So I will teach you how to join two cables together to the same thing. What's in it, you know? Yeah. Then you peel it backward. Sorry, you push it backward. Then you peel this one too. Here's the connector. Then you insert the connector. Yeah. I'm teaching you basic things on installation. So in my next video, I will teach you how to do your own installation. Your own installation. Yeah, how to track your signal. Yeah. So this is how to do it. So you insert it here. This is your LMB. What the show LMB no I say. Ah, now all the way no so I dey. But I share like the satellite receiver no. So this thing serve as my receiver. So I will insert it here. Until we insert it, I'm sure what I can be. So we insert here. Say LMB ni shema. Sa strength way no. Sa strength way no. Ebe so akosoro. But say LMB no enhyɛ mu yi a on strength no be on say about quality remain. Quality no dey say watch your second and we ansa na quality na yɛn aba. Nti say wo de we nyina akyi na say ayi ne ba. We nyina akyi na say we ne ba. On na we ne ma na wo say wo second no fault wa yɛn abam. Wo de fault abam. Nti no wo kwa koyɛ wo de. My next video no make sure kwan be fa so a be mount to your own satellite dish without calling any installer. Okay. Nti we no so no me sure de ba ko say we ne see na still we ni nyina akyi still na LMB strength na ma na wa check say we LMB no fault wa dey e wo ma na say fault him nti we the different LMB so na ba pe not just no one no sa ma pe cable no so betimi ayi dey e betimi ayi say betimi ayi say cable no so baby ayi dey e break nti we pa so betimi ayi say cable no ana ye wade baby no bi so atwa cable so wow nti without this no with this I na make sure kwan na be for so be get two cables together so that you'll be okay. Maybe an cable baby I break it. Into with this video no. Like let me cut it into two. Like this is one part of the cable, this is another part of the cable. So I'll peel it like this. I'll peel it like this. You have seen this early. Then you push it back like this. You can tear this apart. You peel it back like this. Then you assemble it like this. You bet in chimney say. Now what peel it? This one too. Remember winning can we no. So my winning can we no. Don't let this one touches this. So after that, you peel this one too. Peel this one too. Then you do it the same thing as this. Why? Same thing as this. After doing this, yeah, this one and this one will match. Until what the way where you join this one together. You join this one together. You join this one together. I'm missing both the P and the English so that the Ghanaians and the other foreign countries will get understanding. So after this, if you have your solid tape there, any tape, if you have your tape there, this, then sorry, I misplaced my tape. So let me say this serve as my tape, my solid tape. Just to do something for you, this serve as my solid tape. So you use the tape to tie here, so that this one will not touch the metal one. Okay. So after this, then you join this one two together. These two together. Yeah. You join these two together. These two together. After joining it together, then you continue taping it. So yeah, this is how to join the cable. This is how to join the cable. After joining it, let me see whether it can still work or not, to show you whether I did is right or not. To show you what I did is right or not. So like I said, this is my destiny. Have you seen have you seen it? The strength didn't show. Yeah, please forgive me. It's because of the sun. Forgive me. It's because of the sun. So watch it well for me. Yeah, forgive me. Yeah. Okay. So let me put it. Yeah, when I say have you seen the LMB has been shown? Yeah, the LMB has been shown. So this is how to join the cable. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This small basic techniques on multi TV. When you see your signal is not coming, you can do this small thing, then you'll be able to connect it. We na waiting remember say na we na like photo up. With this small thing, you'll be able to do it. So my next video, I'll be teaching you how to mount the dish on your own. So when I come, I'll first start how to mount the dish, and we go. So this is how to do your basic things. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Bismarck Digital Satellite. Thank you. Nice to watch.